Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to access those goal templates and the plan goals inside of the ARM system, and also how to navigate from that screen. So when you're logged in and you have hopefully now reviewed the discovery map with the client, you guys have discussed what the priorities are from the barriers to recovery and unmet service needs listed here. Or if we don't have any of those and you are focused on building recovery strengths, you've discussed what the priorities are, frankly, for the goals that you're going to create. At the very top, you can either select Plan Goals here, or if you're at the bottom of the screen, you can select Next. We've now landed on the Goal Template screen. We're just going to review some of the foundational things to get you started. So at the very top, the first thing I want to point out is that here we can begin to reconcile how the client responded with those 4 open-ended questions at the very end of the RETCAP assessment by selecting View Client, and we can see where they feel they are in the recovery journey, what their current life goals are, what they need to help them get to that goal in their life journey, and who they currently rely on. So this is where we begin to reconcile what we've discussed as priorities. Was that potentially getting jobs, safe housing, addressing criminal justice things, and maybe some people that may help them to achieve those goals, and anything that they might need. So here again, we begin to reconcile those items while we are creating the goals from this screen. Also at the very top on the left-hand side, you'll notice that there is an Add Custom Goal button. If there is not a goal template for the goal that you guys have discussed needs to be added inside of the recovery plan, you can always create your own. Now, navigating inside of the goal templates here, you'll notice that this teal bar represents the barriers to recovery and unmet service needs. Each of these templates was triggered based on the results from the RETCAP assessment. So the way in which Wile E. Coyote responded to his assessment initiated these suggested goal templates. By no means is this meant to be prescriptive. The system has triggered these for you to review and decide which things the client would like to include in the recovery plan. So again, you've already discussed the priorities, and any of the ones that you'd like to be able to access, you can easily just double click on any of these, and you'll notice that it expands. We're going to go back. I'm just going to wait for it to load here. We can always add to our recovery plan simply by checking this box when we're done doing any of the configuration of that goal template, which we will review in the next video. I'm going to uncheck that one for now. And at the very bottom, you'll notice another teal bar here, which represents any of the goal templates that are suggested to help grow recovery strengths. Now, as you've already learned, we do focus on addressing the barriers to recovery first, unmet service needs second, and then we can focus on growing recovery strengths. But there may be instances where we can add in some of these goals to track things that are already being done inside of the program that they are participating in, or if they're going to certain events or mutual aid groups, etc. But we will go through that in a subsequent video as well. You do have the ability to add custom goals for the recovery strengths as well. Hope this has helped, and in the next video, we'll walk you through how to modify any of these goal templates to the individual's goals that need to be completed. Thank you kindly.